Today we have farm salad. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Cut the chicken in half for easier flavoring and cooking. Add olive oil to the pan and cook the chicken breast on medium heat. Add salt and black pepper to it while cooking. Both sides of the chicken should be golden brown. Finally, add lemon to it and take it out of the pan. The attractive part of chopping ripe vegetables. Chop the lettuce like I do. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Don't forget to keep the knife sharp. Be sure to use red onion for salad and slice it. Remove the center of cucumber with a spoon for better salad quality. We use carrots for a better color of the salad. The aroma of the salad is completed with parsley. Season the cooked chickpeas with chili flakes, sour lemon and salt. Let's make the salad dressing. We need olive oil, mustard sauce, lemon or white vinegar, chopped garlic, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, salt, honey, oregano, and dried basil. Stir the attractive salad dressing well to achieve this texture. and let it rest in the refrigerator for half an hour. Here is our delicious tower of salad. We are grateful to the dear farmers and present this salad to all the hard-working farmers. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy your meal.